Hello and welcome, gluten-free brownie and baking friends. This is my second time making Namaste because I goofed it up majorly the first time. I doubled the water and I used 2 eggs. So I think that's what saved me. And these came out stupendously. They tasted very fudgy. So this time I'm going to use 1 egg, the proper amount, half a cup of hot water and half a cup of oil. So let's get it mixed up and see how it turns out. And this box says definitely mix the liquids first, get them nicely mixed together, and then add the powdered mix. So let's finish mixing hot water, oil, and egg. This is the first mix. Let's see how frothy. It's like it's made egg whites. Okay, so that's liquids mixed as it indicated. Now the powder mix goes in. With that frothy liquid bath, this mixed up in like 10 seconds, no joke. All the powdered mix thoroughly incorporated. And for consistency, this is quite fudgy, quite thick. So I have a 9x9 greased pan. Let's get that in there. Hopefully the camera's picking up all that shine. It's like oil. It's definitely thick, but it jiggles. So I'm hoping these turn out really fudgy. Let's see how they do after they bake for 30 to 35 minutes at 350. So wow, at 28 minutes in the toaster oven, these are looking perfect. Fork test says super clean. Now we just need to cool and do the taste test. They look very dark. They smell very good. And here it is, all cooled off, ready to taste. And it rose pretty high for only 1 egg, and 2 was supposed to make it like a cake, not 1. But let's give it the good old taste test. Oh, kind of flaked off a little bit. Looks drier than I expected. I had to pause a minute to get it off the roof of my mouth. So it's interesting. It's very soft, very moist in the center, but the taste and the consistency and the flavor are like it's a cake, not a brownie. So when I screwed it up, I used 2 eggs and 1 cup of water, which was double the amount. That came out third in the brownie bake-off. Now, making it correctly with 1 egg and half a cup of water, this would come out in 5th place. So I appreciate it's organic. I appreciate that it's low sugar. This is 13 grams, where some are 18, 19, even as high as 21. The flavor's just not there, but it was when I screwed it up and doubled the water. But on this one, making it the correct way, it would be in number 5 position in the brownie bake-off. So hope that helps.